Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we discuss on Chrome MSI download. First of all, Chrome MSI download. Second, how to download Chrome MSI. Third, system requirements to Chrome MSI. Benefit of using Chrome MSI. Chrome MSI download is a way to download the Chrome web browser as Microsoft installer MSI package. MSI package are a standard format for installation software on Windows or computers. They allow system administrator to centrally deploy and manage software applications. This Chrome MSI download is a critical component of the Google Chrome web browser, particularly an enterprise and organization that require a high level of control over the computing environment. The MSI file serves as a master installation process that allows IT professionals to centralize, manage, and deploy Chrome across their networks. The Chrome MSI download also provides a range of additional features and benefits, including the ability to customize the browser's behavior and enforce security policies and provide remote support to end users. These capabilities enable IT policies professionals to better protect their organization data, ensure compliance with regulatory systems, and improvement to overall experience. As a result, the Google Chrome MSI is an essential tool for any organization seeking to effectively manage and utilize the Google Chrome web browser. How to download Chrome MSI. How to download the Chrome MSI Microsoft installer file. To follow this step, open the Google Chrome website, click the download Chrome button, select the appropriate operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux from the drop down menu. Choose the language preference and click on the accept and install button. Once the download complete, run the installer and follow the prompt to complete the installations. You may need to restart your computer after installing Chrome for the first time. System requirements for Chrome MSI. Operating system Windows XP, SP3 or later, 32-bit and 64-bit. Mac OS v10.6 or later, or Linux, Debian or Red Hat distributions. Processor Intel processor 4 or later, AMD K8 or later. Memory at least 512 MB RAM and 1 GB recommended. Storage space at least 200 GB available. Hard disk space more if you plan to store Windows and images locally. Graphic video. Any graphic card that support OpenGL 2.0 or later. Display resolution recommend 1024x786 or higher. How to install Chrome MSI. To install Chrome MSI, follow this step. Go to the Chrome website and download the MSI package. Save the downloaded file to your computer. Double click on the downloaded file to start the installation wizard. Follow the instruction provided by the wizard to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, launch Chrome and set up your account. Alternatively, you can also install Chrome using the command line interface. To do this, open command prompt and type the following commands. Replace your username with your actual username and Chrome install MSI with your name with your downloaded place. Enter to execute the command. Benefit of using Google Chrome MSI. Simplified development process. Chrome MSI simplify the development process by eliminating the need of manually download and install Chrome on each machine. Centralized management. Chrome MSI provides centralized management capabilities, allowing IT staff to remotely configure and manage Chrome settings on all machines. This includes setup default search engines, home page and extension, as well as enforcing security policies and restrictions. Easy rollback. In case of any issues or errors during the development process, Chrome MSI make it easy to roll back and changes to previous state. This helps prevent downtime and minimize distributions to business operations. Improved security. Chrome MSI offered improved security features compared to traditional Chrome development methods. It enabled IT staff to apply custom security policies, restrict access to sensitive data, and implement advanced threat protection measures. Better performance. Chrome MSI optimized performance by preloading frequently, uses as reducing page lag time and improving overall browsing experience. Thank you so much for watching the video.